I am going to explain the topic thermodynamic equilibrium. State of any system is represented by the three thermodynamic variables: pressure, volume, and temperature. If these three thermodynamic variables, pressure, volume, and temperature, remains constant for a long time, then the system is known as in thermodynamic equilibrium. Thermodynamic equilibrium can also be explained by considering three parameters. Number 1, thermal equilibrium. Number 2, chemical equilibrium. And number 3, mechanical equilibrium. Now I will explain one by one. First, thermal equilibrium. If throughout the system temperature remains constant, then the system is known as in thermal equilibrium. If there is no chemical reaction going on inside the system, then the system is known as in chemical equilibrium. If there is no imbalance force in any part of the system, then the system is known as in mechanical equilibrium. If all these three satisfy simultaneously, then the system is known as in thermodynamic equilibrium. On the basis of this, we can explain zeroth law of thermodynamics. Zeroth law of thermodynamics. According to this law, if the system A and B are separately in thermal equilibrium with the third system C, then system A and B will also be in thermal equilibrium with each other. Now consider system A, which is separated by insulating wall with the system B. Then these two systems are in thermal contact with the system C. This is system C. So now there is any difference of the temperature between A and C or between B and C, then the heat transfer will take place, and after some time A and C will attain thermal equilibrium. In this, B and C will attain thermal equilibrium, and after some time all three, A, B, C, all three will be in thermal equilibrium. So according to zeroth law of thermodynamics, if system A and B are separately in thermal equilibrium with the system C, then system A and B will also be in thermal equilibrium.